In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude with Canva. To get started, the first thing you want to do is decide exactly what you want to create. This is important because Claude works best when you give it a clear goal. For example, you might be creating a presentation, an Instagram post, a Facebook banner, a flyer, a poster, an infographic, a resume, a business proposal, an ebook, or a marketing brochure. The more specific you are about the type of project, the easier it will be for Claude to generate content that actually fits your design. Once you know what you're making, open Claude and type in a detailed prompt describing the content you need. For example, you could ask it to create content for a 5-slide presentation introducing a new fitness app, including a title, key features, benefits, pricing, and a call to action, while keeping each slide concise. A detailed prompt like this helps Claude produce structured content that will be much easier to move into Canva later. After Claude generates the text, take a moment to review it carefully. This is where you refine the content so it better matches your project. You can ask Claude to simplify the wording, change the tone, add examples, create headings, shorten paragraphs, generate a stronger call to action, or rewrite it for a specific audience. Keep adjusting the content until it sounds the way you want and fits the style of your design. Next, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose the type of design you want to make. Then select a template if you want a faster starting point, or begin with a blank canvas if you prefer full control over the layout. Now copy the text from Claude and paste it into your Canva design. Replace any placeholder text in the template with your own content, and try to keep everything clean and organized. This makes the final result easier to read and more visually appealing. From there, customize the design so it looks polished and professional. You can change the colors, choose appropriate fonts, add icons, insert photos, include charts or graphics, and upload your own images or logo. Try to keep a consistent visual style throughout the project so everything feels cohesive and aligned with your topic or brand. Before exporting, review the entire design one more time. Check for grammar and spelling, make sure your fonts and colors are consistent, confirm that everything is aligned properly, and make sure the visuals are high quality. Also pay attention to readability and spacing, since even strong content can lose impact if the layout feels crowded. When you're happy with the final design, click Share, then select Download. Choose the file format that works best for your project, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4 for video, or PPTX for presentations. You can also share the design directly from Canva with team members.